It's time for Look at Me Now, the Joy Fit Club, and the induction of its newest member.
That's right. She is a 26-year-old airline operations supervisor from Salt Lake City. She lost 105 pounds. Her name is Elizabeth Potter, and here's her story.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth. My battle of the bulge has been the story of my life. By age 21, I had a child. I ended a toxic relationship, and I was depressed. The worse I felt, the more I ate. I tipped the scales at 255 pounds. I knew I needed to get healthy, not just for my son, but also for myself. I overheard a coworker talk about the wonders of cycling. In early 2006, I bought an entry-level mountain bike. I also picked up a trailer so I could include my son. The first time I rode the bike, I gasped for air, my legs screamed with pain, and my son heckled me the entire way. But I did it. I then continued to cycle 6 to 7 days a week. I've lost over 100 pounds. I went from a size 20 to a size 8. I couldn't be happier, I'm healthier, and I'm thinner. I love the new me.
And before we ask Elizabeth to come out, we're here with today's nutritionist and leader of the Joy Fit Pack. And that's Miss Joy Bauer herself.
Hey.
Hi, Joy.
This
Hey,
is a super cool story. You know, she's a single mom, and when Elizabeth's son, his name is Aiden, was 2 years old, that was when she first made this commitment to really change her life around. And in terms of the food, the first things that went was the soda and the fast food. But I think the best, most creative part of this story is she wanted to exercise. She did not want to join a gym. She didn't want to put Aiden in childcare. So, like you saw on the tape, she got a mountain bike.
Okay.
She got this trailer, and I put 25 pounds of potatoes in here because when he was 2, that's what Aiden weighed. She got out rain and shine in Utah and would cycle every single day. And today, he is 5, and I'm not going to have time to do all these potatoes, but he weighs 75 pounds, and are you ready for this? She now cycles 20 miles a pop with
Carrying
him.
all of this?
And you know what she told me? The only reason she stops?
Good for her.
We love her.
Oh. See, there are consequences to your actions.
All right,
She was wearing a helmet.
We're going to see Elizabeth. Okay,
Yes.
so here is Elizabeth before. All right, Elizabeth, come join the Joy Fit Club. Wow! Oh, my God! Hello!
Is that really you?
Oh, my
Hey.
gosh! So wait, how much of this was the pedaling, and how much of it do you think was the food, deciding what you should and shouldn't be eating?
I think it was mostly the biking, but obviously it comes hand in hand. You can't do one or the other. You have to do both.
But when you started, because most people find it hard just to get going, wasn't it hard just to get on that bike and start pedaling a little?
Exactly. It was painful.
Yeah.
It was so hard. I can remember the first time.
Yeah.
It was horrendous. Your legs hurt, your lungs hurt. You don't think you can do anymore.
Most people quit though when they don't feel good doing something the first
They
time.
give up.
But why
Well,
didn't
first
you?
of all, it hurts so much when you first start exercising,
Yes.
and then you say, I can't do this, it hurts
So
too
why
much.
didn't you quit? Why didn't you just say that's tough, I don't feel like doing it?
You know, it was my son was a major motivation. I wanted to be around for him. And I needed to be able to keep up with him.
And the joke is that now the only reason that she stops at the 20 miles is because Aiden, her son, wants to get the heck out of the trailer.
Aiden?
Yeah.
Otherwise, she'd keep going.
He's 5.
And how long did it take you to drop all that weight?
The majority of the weight was dropped in a year and a half, and then it took a total of 2 years to get all the way down.
And it's been off for years.
So you're at your goal.
Yes, I'm at my goal.
Now,
I'm at my
are
goal.
friends of yours who haven't seen you in a while going, that cannot be you, Elizabeth?
Yes, I am the envy at work and friends.
And now you're a
everything.
big star on the Today Show.
That's right.
Now, look, some people follow Weight Watchers, some people do their own thing. What did you wind up doing? Your own thing?
I
or?
just kind of did my own thing. Just ate sensibly, healthy choices. You know, cut out all of my vices like coffee and soda. You know,
So you
candy.
went cold turkey on that stuff?
It was gradual. It
Yeah.
was definitely gradual.
Coffee's not so awful unless you put all kinds of
Right.
sugar in.
Okay, there you go. She was
Okay,
putting
let's
whole
let-
milk and a lot of sugar.
Right.
Plain coffee is absolutely fine.
Yeah.
So when you find the thing that works for you, which is what she found. So a lot of people at home are sitting here thinking, I can't get off the couch. So what would be sort of your message to them, do you think?
You need to find something that you love to do.
Yeah.
that's the only reason I was able to stick with it. I found something that I'm very passionate about and I love to do.
And she's a racer now. She's a racer, and she was featured in a magazine.
Oh yeah, you were on the cover of that. What is that? That biking magazine?
Yes. Look at her bicycling.
Is that you?
Yeah. No, that's
okay.
However, she has a
Lance
spread on the inside. She's got a whole spread on the inside.
All right, Elizabeth, congrats.
We're so happy for you. What a way to start out the new year.
All right.
That's just great.
If you guys know somebody who you think should be considered for a spot on the Joy Fit Club, go to our website, klgandhoda.com for details.
And while you're there, you can also read more of Elizabeth's story and get some of Joy's helpful nutritional advice.